there?
Oh, hello, sir.
Who's that?
It's me, Mr. Jebler, sir.
Mr. Jebler, indeed. Now, what do you want here? Your day hasn't broken yet. Come on, please, leave.
Please, sir, it's very important. It's an urgent situation. I have to see you.
Young man, what do you want me to do for you at this time of the day?
Sir, it's about the dynamics of stats. I can't just understand the law.
And couldn't you have gotten any teaching assistant to help you?
This is an emergency. Yeah, besides, we have the paper this morning.
Okay, so that makes the lecturer a slave, huh? I shouldn't have some sleep.
Don't worry about that. I have not slept myself the whole night.
Oh, stupid. Such ridiculous nonsense. So that warrants you to have the crass effrontery and impunity to disturb my sleep?
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean any insolence.
Have I not told you not to come to my house to discuss such issues? These things are supposed to be discussed in my office. Now look here. This will be your very last time coming to my house to discuss such issues. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Are you coming? Use the back door. You selfish swat.
Can stir the thing finish.
The Joseph, I know the full phone.
The chop the thing.
Charlie, there's a man who sit up.
But no, they blame man.
What you want to tell me?
I don't go to presentation, but
Charlie, come up for there with this presentation. I don't know what big man thing people do. What? We have to tie you at the
hey, on some shabring, Lord. Hey, come. One time. How's the morning? Charlie, cool. Hey, you look really smart for your presentation, eh? I gotta fire them left, right, center. Now, where come in?
Charlie, I don't know.
Yourself, you know.
Charlie, this trip account 2 failures. So
I'm gonna see some tea for you. Huh? Malone. You go be Oh, the first day didn't go.
Yeah, you left 2 bed and Charlie then sacked me.
So maybe learn the thing and go right the thing.
Nobody say I know the learn. Charlie, I miss my time in the street.
Tesuku maza yisuku kaba.
You have spent half the time. You have 1 hour 30 minutes more.
Madam, can I borrow a calculator from a friend?
Are you serious?
Madam, I was late, so I forgot.
Indeed. And you say you are in the university. Did you know you were come to write an exam?
If you answer.
Oh, me, no, I'm not asleep.
You must be tired.
Yes, it's just that it's a new strategy to catch the cheats. See, in this position, you see, I can see all the ones who are trying to cheat.
Look, these young men and ladies are very smart, okay? And you have to be very careful.
I'm careful. Huh? I'm watching them. I'm not sleeping at all.
You're on guard, eh?
I'm on my guard.
I have to do some corrections. Oh. Can I have your attention, ladies and gentlemen? Can we look at page 2, question 6, the third line? Yes? Page 2, question 6, the third line. The equation should read sigma f over x minus 6 over 100. Sigma f over x minus 6 over 100 times either law 1, law 2, law 3, which you have already. Yes? It's not x plus 6. The coefficient must be negative and not positive. Is that clear to you all?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Jonathan?
Sir, if I may crave your indulgence, can we look at question 2, please? I must declare that there's something wrong with the coefficient of viscosity.
No, Jonathan. I think you should look at it again. Okay? Look at it again, young man. Well, all the best to you all.
Sir.
Yes, yes. What is it?
Paper, please.
If you're for Gablan. Oh, Godfrey Gabla Gaka.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen of the panel. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to do my presentation. My presentation is on the gross domestic product, GDP for short. I will attempt to define GDP and then apply it to the Ghanaian situation and its ramifications. Now, what is GDP? The gross domestic product defines the quantum of revenue of all revenue-generating activities in a country per particular year. It comprises the gross returns of all the different economic entities in a country put together. Right. Now, the GDP is a very important statistic, since, amongst others, it leads to the derivation of the per capita income, which is a very important indicator in any country's net worth. Right. Now, let me go to the ingredients that go into the computation of the GDP. First, we have agriculture, we have industry, we have commerce, we have service industry.
I have a question.
Or maybe we should allow him to wrap up and then further discussions can ensue.
Okay.
You may continue your segment, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Agri. The table after this will assign the percentage contributions of the various economic sectors put together.
Get ready to stop work.
What happened? He just fell off the chair. I think he's fainted.
Get the ambulance. Okay, quick. Okay, please, everybody, sit down, settle down. He'll be all right. He'll be all right. Just settle down. I'll give you all just 5 minutes to round off your work, okay? He'll be all right. Don't worry about him. Please, 5 minutes and
Complete waste of taxpayers' money.
I must commend you for a well-researched presentation. That is the hallmark of a true scholar. But I'm curious. Imagine you are the minister for finance and economic planning. Which sectors of the economy will you target for rapid growth in GDP and why?
Well, sir, if I should assume that high office, I would have 4 main priority areas. First of all, I will improve the business orientation of our agriculture and diversify the agro production as much as possible. 2, I would also work towards improved value addition, that is, in the agro processing unit. And 3, I also create an enabling environment through policies to excite more activity in the ICT industry. And the last way, what I'll do is finally I would institutionalize the aspect of skilled manpower, the so-called brain drain.
Institutionalize the brain drain?
Yes, sir. I believe in a free market-driven global economy. We can't do anything about it. Labor would always go to where it's in the greatest demand and also at the best price. Hence, brain drain is inevitable. All right. Our doctors, our nurses, our teachers would always seek greener pastures outside the country. So instead of shouting in anguish, I believe we must find a way of recouping our investment in these people, like it's done in India, Jamaica, and the like.
We have a radical thinker on our hands.
Any more questions? Otherwise, I believe we should set this pond free. We've had it for more than 30 minutes. Osebonso, congratulations for that scholarly presentation.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, Percy, that was an interesting presentation.
Thank you very much.
There were a few loopholes though.
Well, whatever, I can't do everything.
Anyway, congratulations.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hey, some more stuff about this. On the run. Anyway, yeah. Don't forget to check your crown points. Huh? He didn't win it. Oh my God. Okay. Oh Jesus. Oh, I didn't get it. But always check it. I mean, it's it's Pizza Inn.
Not just pizza, and chicken wings. Buy 5, get 5 free.
Wow.
It's a promotion.
Well, okay.
Hey, for chicken discount.
To hard work and friendship. Hard work and friendship. Hard work and friendship.
Yeah.
Hard work and friendship.
Yeah. I'm so happy we're seeing the back of this semester. It's been so hectic.
Don't be too happy, eh? Very soon, we're going to be saddled with a lot of scripts to mark.
Yeah, but at least the emotional part will be left behind, you know.
Never mind. The teacher's reward is always in heaven.
I don't want to hear that.
Now, he who lives on hope dies fasting.
That is Benjamin Franklin.
But you white. Are we twins? Everything I know you know. Come on, it's Benjamin Franklin. That's true. Got it. That is true.
Oh, the chicken is here. Well, I'm going to carve it out.
But
Who is first? Who is first?
my treat.
Who is first? Your treat. Thanks. Who is first?
Oh, you brought this.
Who is first?
That's your reward.
Well, and it's a
Thank you.
it's a nice one too. Huh?
Thank you. Oh,
Oh no. Oh.
boys.
Oh.
Stop it.
Oh,
Hello.
Oh, Charlie, you guys should have been at the presentation today. Gimmicks. Yeah. Bread this. Test me that. But this one, you don't know. What? It be shabrim proper. We they like women too. No, but this one, I don't feel say be shabrim matter. Honestly, I think Percy did a really good presentation. His preparation was excellent.
Yes, man.
One time.
I mean, that's what I keep saying every day, Charlie. You guys, be prepared. I mean, like the Marines, you know.
Charlie, you guys, you hear of Ozi matter?
Charlie, sad.
Charlie, you say you no sleep for the past week.
No wonder, man. You can't cheat nature in any way, not at all.
So, where is he now?
Charlie, I say them come out for the hospital, but I sure say by now, like, good day.
Charlie, you guys make you wrap up and just go give the guys some moral support, you guys. Finish your drink.
Relax. Oh.
That's why we start.
Jonathan, have you sent for my wife?
Away my dilemma. A dilemma, you're talking about wife. Some of you think life is a joke, eh? You come here and fool around and expect to get away with it. I hereby serve warning to all you laggards, time wasters, incompetents and such like. Beware, the day of reckoning is at hand. Bora. Bora.